Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and in today's episode I think we need to focus on the welding machine so that we get that running, because we do have a few things that needs to get welded, also some bike related stuff. So what I need to do is drain the coolant in the welding machine, flush the system, and then do a bit of a mix. And then test run it, and we will see if it works. So here we have the coolant tank, and it's only standing there. It's supposed to contain 40 liters, so it's quite heavy. The pump is up here, so I will wash it off and then try and empty the tank. So I wasn't able to get the pump out, so instead I had to tip the container over and drain it. That's why it's wet on the floor, but it's drained. So, and the water was nice, so I think that someone have drained it quite recently before I took it over. So I will just refill with ethylene and water. So we have fluid in the tank now, and the feed from the pump is disconnected, just so I can see that the pump is actually working. We have power on. Let's see what happens. Oops. Yeah, that worked.
Yeah. Kör vi?
Ja.
Ja. Nice.
Whoa! So the welding machine is working. The welds weren't that nice. I just wanted to make sure that it would start, sort of start the arc. I need to replace the hoses for the gas and also for the water. It's leaking a little here. I don't have a hose clamp, so there are a few things that I need to fix, but I'm really happy that it now works. So that means that the problem was the current conductor in the hose package that was corroded, and basically nothing else, but it was a big step to replace that. So, whoa! I tried to sheet and run it without shielding gas, but it didn't really want to start the arc. I think there is some sort of valve inside that will basically activate the welding machine once it senses pressure from the shielding gas bottle. So now I can even start with the aluminum stuff here in the garage, which is really amazing. So that will be a lot of fun. Maybe a new intake manifold for my Supra, a version 2 or a revision 2 of the one I already made. Yeah, I'm really happy about this. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.